Hello, welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony. I don't know why I just grabbed a cup of coffee, but I feel like I needed the cup of coffee. Welcome. Today we're going to talk about voice acting, and we're going to talk about the objective or the purpose of the voiceover script that you're working on. So I think as a voice acting coach, it's so important to have not a theory, but a method, if you will, kind of behind what we do. And, at A VO's Journey Elite Academy, we have, a method or we use a lot of acting training to help our voice actors grow their voiceover businesses. And, part of what we teach is just one little part, and I'm just talking about this one today, is your objective, your purpose. When you have a script, any script, it doesn't matter what voiceover script you have, whether it's an audiobook, whether it's a commercial, whether it's, meditation or podcast intro or you're dubbing or anything you're doing, a radio spot, whatever, there is an objective that you have with that script of purpose. All right. Now, this could be to, relay a sense of urgency for, saving the planet. Or it could be, the objective is to sell more cars. Or the objective is to, stop Bob from stealing the motorcycle, in the audiobook, whatever your objective, whatever the purpose is, it's very important for you to identify that for the script that you're working with, because identifying that purpose, that objective, will allow you, all right, to understand where to go from there when it comes to your performance. If we don't know where we're exactly what is the reason, what is the purpose, what is the objective of what we're trying to accomplish with the script, then we're just going to read the words. And what I hear a lot from voice actors, especially newer ones, is, even if they start to play around with pitch and separation, right, and tone, the words sound nice. It sounds almost like this, and it's it's read in an okay pace. But there's no, purpose behind it. There's no objective behind it, right? There's almost no meaning, all right? The subtext, there's nothing there, and it starts with figuring out what is the point of what you're doing, all right? What's that purpose? So I think that that's something to look at when you are building that out. And we're going to, I'm going to talk more about this, but I love Uta Hagen's 9 questions from Respect for Acting that she wrote in her book, and it's become one of the staples of acting. And but then there's also the things that I mentioned there, like tone and pitch and variation, and how we then take those questions that we ask and move them into an actual performance. But this first one, this vital one, what is the purpose, what is your objective, really, really can help you identify what you're trying to do. And even if it changes the nuance of how you say it, right, to the point where now it has meaning. Right now, there's meaning to what you're saying. I always like to use the phrase, and I made it up, but because I felt for a long time that when I was doing voiceover, especially when I started, that the words were controlling me. So I say, don't let the words control you. You control the words. Okay, and that's the first step by that is adding meaning, and we can add meaning by having a purpose or an objective to what we're trying to do. So how do you come up with that? Well, you read the script, and either A, you have instructions or directions from the a director or the person who's hiring you or the producer, whoever, or B, you've got to come up with it based off of the script, and then your interpretation of that script and those words and how they're placed together, you come up with what that purpose is. And then from there, that's how you add more meaning. That's how the beginning of you adding meaning to a script. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave some comments below. I'm interested if you use this tactic, if it's something that you do right away, if it's not something you thought about before, or, you know, it's something you can add into your mix. Check out Avio's Journey Elite Academy. Also, we got a deal, 50% off the first month. We'd love to have you give us a shot and learn more about this acting training and stuff that we're doing over there for voice actors. All right, you guys have a good one. Talk to you soon. Goodbye. Goodbye.